Montserrat Island is built on the south central part of a submarine bank, which is 200 meters below sea level.
Several years before the eruption, the area was bustling with people and activity.
Montserrat consists of three main volcanic centers: Silver Hills, Central Hills, and Solifere Hills. Solifere Hills is the only one currently active. The Solifere Hills volcano complex accompanies the southern half of the island. The summit area consists primarily of a series of anesthetic lava domes placed along a ESE trending zone, with block and ash flow and surge deposits associated with dome
Volcano. In July of 1995, the Montserrat volcano erupted, resulting in the area being coated in ash. The town of Plymouth was soon evacuated due to the severe danger. The economy took a quick turn for the worse following the eruption, and many Plymouth residents moved away from the town. Those who decided to remain in Montserrat were permitted to move back to Plymouth in 1996. However, in 1997, another volcano hit the area, which left the town and buildings covered in a thick layer of volcanic ash yet again. This led to the permanent evacuation of Plymouth. It is now restricted by a volcanic exclusion zone, and it is impossible to access.
Montserrat lies on a destructive plate boundary. As the two plates merge, the oceanic plate is forced down under the continental plate. As it is forced down, pressure increases, which triggers earthquakes, and at the same time, heat produced by friction melts the descending crust to form molten magma. The hot magma tries to rise to the surface, and when it succeeds, will form a volcano such as the one in Montserrat. Montserrat Fault is an important regional fault system extending from south of Montserrat to the west of Guadalupe and forms the southern sector of Montserrat. The Rodena Fault system is located a few miles west of Montserrat. The trace of the fault passes beneath Sulphur Hills and deforms young and old volcanic centers on the island. It has been interpreted as the structural control for the alignment of younger volcanic centers in St. George's Hill. Reaction to the 1995 eruption, a volcanic observatory was built to monitor the volcano activity. An exclusion zone was set up in the volcanic region, and services in the north of the island were expanded.
Today, many of those buildings can only be partially seen, the rooftops protruding from the tall mounds of ash. Only a spire of a church can be viewed sprouting up from the ground.
Challenges with maintaining population has caused the struggle of risk assessment. Overall, volcanic eruptions and lahars have destroyed the land of Montserrat. The primary hazards are parastic flows, that the lava dome could cause magma explosion, and that heavy rainfall and the ash could cause mudslides. These hazards can cause damage to property and put lives in danger. Better hazard migration comes from knowing when a volcano might erupt. Scientists from U.S. Geological Survey's Volcano Crisis Assistance Team responded to the 1995 eruption. In addition, Montserrat Volcano Observatory was set up and managed by the British Geological Survey from 1997 to 2008. Better volcano monitoring causes better hazard migration. Therefore, if officials know when a volcano could erupt, they can give better and earlier warnings to the public. Also, by monitoring the effects of the volcano on the environment, scientists can tell officials what the cleanup process should look like and what is the most important to focus on first, after public safety, in order to have as little economic and environmental degradation as possible.